Every morning, Daniel followed the same simple routine. He woke up at 7 o'clock, made a cup of coffee, took a shower, and prepared for work. Daniel lived in a small apartment near the city center. His life was simple, but he wanted to improve his English because he dreamed of traveling to different countries one day. Every morning, he read a short English story before leaving home. He did not understand every word, but he never stopped. He believed that learning a little every day was better than doing nothing. One Monday morning, Daniel woke up and looked at the clock. It was already 8:30. "Oh no, I am late," he said. He quickly got out of bed, washed his face, put on his clothes, and picked up his bag. He did not have time for breakfast. He ran outside and hurried toward the bus stop. When he arrived, the bus was already leaving. Daniel ran as fast as he could, but the bus disappeared around the corner. He stood there, breathing heavily. For a moment, he felt frustrated. Then he smiled and said, "Okay, this is not a good start, but my day is not over." He decided to walk to the train station and find another way to reach work.
While Daniel was walking to the train station, he noticed an elderly woman standing near the road. She looked confused and was holding a small piece of paper in her hand. Daniel walked closer and asked, "Excuse me, do you need any help?" The woman smiled and said, "Yes, please. I am looking for this address, but I cannot find it." Daniel looked at the paper. The address was close to his office, so he said, "I am going in that direction. You can come with me." They started walking together and talked along the way. The woman asked Daniel about his job, his hobbies, and his life in the city. Daniel was surprised because he was speaking English naturally without thinking too much. Sometimes he made small mistakes, but the woman understood him and continued the conversation. When they reached the address, she thanked him warmly. "Your English is very good," she said. Daniel smiled and replied, "Thank you. I am still learning." The woman looked at him and said, "The best way to learn a language is to use it. Do not be afraid of mistakes." Daniel continued walking towards his office, thinking about her words. He was late, he had missed his bus, and his morning had not gone as planned. But because of one unexpected problem, he had practiced real English with a real person. Daniel smiled and thought, maybe today is going to be a good day after all.